Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video I want to prepare spicy swallow. Okay, so this is my glove, this is my dry fish, the small one. You see, this is dry fish with cassava fermented flour. Okay, this is wheat, dry fish, glove. So I want to blend the glove and fish together. So I've already set up the fire. This is the water is already boiled, so I want to turn it. This is wheat, the cassava fermented flour. Fish and glove. I can feel the aroma of this swallow. It's delicious. So I want to add some water. This is nice. So it's ready to pack.
Mommy, Daddy, yeah. Come see. Come see. Hola.
So, beautiful people, this is our delicious swallow, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and beautiful people, this is nice. You can prepare it for your family and try it. It's delicious, okay? So see you where we'll be eating our delicious swallow with our vegetable. Watch how we prepare these delicious vegetables. It's on my YouTube channel, okay? And I want to prepare juice with this delicious food, okay? Mwah! Bye bye. Mwah!